Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at a method which you can use to start earning up to and over $100 a day. As always, I'll share with you that this method actually does work. I'll share with you some of my own results and it's pretty straightforward. Now it's simple, it's easy, and anybody can do this regardless of how much money you have, where you're from in the world, how many hours you can spend a week on this, because there's always a demand for this, okay? So first of all, let me share with you proof that this works. So if I come over here, you can see so far today, yesterday, and in the last 7 days. So $800 is, it's a little more than $100 per day. And I've used this for the last 7 days, okay? So what is the method we're talking about today? It's called Launchjacking, and this forms part of affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically whereby you can recommend and share a product or a service. If somebody purchases that product, we earn an affiliate commission. Now, today we're focusing on Launchjacking because this is whereby people are actively looking for information about a product which is launching into a marketplace, and we're capitalizing on people looking for that product. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can go over to my blog and you can check out the affiliate marketing articles. I'll drop a link to that below for you. I also have a free affiliate marketing course, and again I'll drop a link to that below for you. So how did I go ahead and earn this amount of money here? Well, if I come over here, I'll quickly show you this. So if we click in here for the last 7 days and click on go, you can see here I've managed to earn $763. Now this has came from a product called Crispy Prints. Now basically, if I come over here, I've gone ahead and I've created an article about this. Now it's a piece of software. In fact, let me quickly log in and I'll show you this. So go into here and I'll show you this because it's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like inside of this piece of software here. It's training and it's software, and ultimately what this software will allow you to do is, you can see here, it will allow you to create online printables which can build you up, and not only an online business but a passive income. So it's pretty cool. So I knew that this launch was coming up because I'd been looking into printables for a while. I knew it was coming up. So what did I do for this? Well, I created a YouTube video, which was a review video, and then I also sent that traffic from YouTube over to the blog article over here. Now, if we start right at the beginning of this process, if you want to, get involved with Launchjacking, how does it work? It's not that difficult. This website over here is called muncheye.com. At the top here, we can see it says the I of IM launches, i.e. internet marketing launches. Now on here, you've got big launches on the left and we've got smaller, well, all launches over on the right. And you can see on here, this covers a number of affiliate platforms. So we have got Warrior Plus, we have got JVZoo, we have got ClickBank down here. There's also a couple more. I think there's Pay, I can't remember the name of it actually. Pay, I think it's Pay.com. Oh, it's here, look. Yeah, Pay.com. So you can find products which are launching into the marketplace. So you scroll through here and you can see in a snapshot the platform that it's on, the date it's going to be launching, the name of the person who's created that course or that software, and then how much it is, $17, and how much you can expect to earn as an affiliate. So you can go through here, and basically this is the process. So we come over here and we'll have a look at products which are launching. So let's just find one really quickly. So what is this? Tropical Plants Colouring PLR at $27. Doesn't tell us a platform, so let's find another one. Life Transforming Quotes. What's this? Ariel Sanders. Let's go into this one and have a look, because this is the process. So we come in here and this is no good because it hasn't got what I want to share with you. So let's pick another one. So let's just go into this one. Let's have a look at this here. Here we go. So over on this page here, we can see the product is called Banked. We can see the date it's launching, how much it will cost to people, how much we will earn as an affiliate, but this is what we're looking for, the JV page. And the reason why we want to see the JV page is we want to know more about the product, i.e., what is it, what's the funnel like, and other bits. So let's scroll down here and bank up to $610 per customer, etc. So let's just go down and have a look at this. So when the launch starts, when it ends, So we can view the sales page here. We can get our affiliate link. So if we click on view sales page, let's go ahead and have a look at this. And that's not a sales page. So it looks like the sales page is still in action. But if we scroll down here, we can find more out about the product. There's normally like a walkthrough video on here. What is it? So this product here, this Banked, it's a system that hijacks news sites to capture leads and make commissions. There's no need to build your own website. It comes with 60 proven done for you ClickBank offers, so you can bank 60 more commissions than ever. I bet you can. Come further on the page here, and this is the funnel. So we can see if you send somebody into this product here, you can earn 50% of $17. Then we've gone, oh, I mean, this is just ridiculous. There's an upgrade here, $37, you can earn 50%. Then we've got an upgrade here, you can earn 50%. Another one, another nonsense, basically. But if I scroll further on the page here, you can find out more information about the product. Now, personally, for me, I would not promote this in any way, shape, or form because A, there's far too many upsells in this. B, to me, and this is my opinion, it looks very scammy. And when I say scammy, I mean it just looks like utter nonsense, doesn't it? I mean, you can earn 60% commissions, etc. But you know, if you want to go ahead and purchase this, you can do. But I'm digressing. But basically, here we would go through and we'd find products that we want to promote. You can also find out information about this, so you can see here that there's, you know, affiliate commissions, you can earn money from this. There's other competitions on this and lots more. And normally what happens here is if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can reach out to the creators of this product. And the reason being is if you was going to go into this method of launch hacking, we like to do a couple of things. We show people inside of the actual product, and then we also go over the sales page. So if I come back over here, in fact, let me come off this product because I wouldn't recommend this or share this in any form. So let's just try and see if we can find another one. Let's look at if we've got one launching sooner rather than later. So what is this? Traffic Jarvis, 400. No. What's this? Let's have a look at this one. So let's click on the JV page and we'll scroll through and have a look at this. So what is this? The best growth hacking conversion optimization suite. We can see what it's about. Come down here, the launch date, can get your affiliate link. Come further on the page, we can find this looks a bit more of a better product, doesn't it? See for yourself all the tools that are inside of here. Come further on the page, we can see again, we can see this in action. And it basically walks through all of this. So we find a product, we go ahead and have a look at the sales page, we have a look at the product, what it's about. We then see if we can get review access, which basically means we reach out to the creators of that product. And it's normally down at the bottom here. So you scroll down to the bottom and you'll normally have, blimey, this is a big JV doc. Let's scroll down to the bottom. And here we go. So look, we can reach out to these two people here via Facebook or Skype. And all we're doing is we're saying, I would like to go and, promote this product for you. Can I get review access? Now, sometimes when you click on promote product, you see here where it says get affiliate link. Sometimes you have to be approved by the creators. So at the same time, when you're requesting review access, you also say to them, look, I'd like to promote this product. This is my ID inside of Warrior Plus or JVZoo. And then they will go ahead and do this for you. So that's this part. The other thing that we do here on the JV doc, we can see everything for them, what's not working. But probably the most important part of launch hacking is not this here, not this, closing swipes. It's bonuses basically. And we're going to see if we've got any. Look, fast action bonuses, because basically this is what is known as like an ethical grab. And what we're saying to people is, if you buy the product with us instead of somebody else, we're going to give you these additional bonuses. So here, and again you see this on a lot of JV pages, they will give you bonuses which you can give away to if people you can give away as a bonus if somebody purchases via your affiliate link. So this one here, look, bonus page generator. So you can create this, bonus 2, email timer, and you see here, look, we know how important it is to create effective email marketing campaigns. Look, simply create this and add to your email campaigns. So you could give away an email timer. come further on the page here, there's a bonus down here. So if we just recap so far, we use the platform Muncheye.com to find products that we want to become an affiliate for. Once we find a product, we go and get our affiliate link. Once we've got our affiliate link, we then reach out to the creators of that product or software and request review access. Once we've got review access, we can then literally build out a campaign. And look, even if you don't get review access, what you can do is, because look, in the beginning, some people, believe it or not, they don't even respond to your messages. So what you can do in the beginning is you can literally, especially over on these JV docs here, you can get videos and you can find out so much information about this. So if we was promoting this here as a brand new affiliate, we could come over here and we could literally talk through this. So why do people need this? Well, look, you audio notification to get the attention back. We've got attention grabbing technology. Come down here, recapture lost traffic, and you can just talk over what's on here. You can also get inside of here, you can also get, where's it gone, videos. It's normally, if it's a decent product, they will have a walkthrough video of this showing you what it's like, how it works. And there was one on here, wasn't there? Yeah, look, here it is. So you can literally include parts of this video here. You can walk people through this. You can take them over to the sales page and we can have a look at the sales page here and look, go through this as well. So once we've got all of those parts, the next part is we need to put that together. So there's a number of ways that you can do this. You can do a YouTube video, and you don't have to be on camera if you don't want to be. You can literally just talk over the top of that video. You can also create a blog article, and look, you can do blogs for free. You can go over to Google, click on Google Sites, get a free website. But for me personally, I totally recommend going ahead and doing a video review, because I'll show you why. If I click on here and click on pause, if I scroll down, we can get traffic in a number of ways. And what I mean by that is, so this is the video I did for this crispy prints. If I scroll down here, you can see, look at this here. So if someone goes on Google, if someone goes on YouTube and types in crispy prints review, this video here is shown in position number 2. If then somebody types in crispy prints review and bonus, it's coming in at number 1. If somebody actually types in crispy print bonuses, this video is at number 1. If someone just types in crispy prints, it's at number 1. Crispy print software, number 1. So you see here, what we're doing is we're getting all of these different search terms, which are all related to the original product, but we're getting views on that video for this whole process. So for me personally, I like to do these review videos, and then what I say to them is, look, if you like the look of this, there's a link down below, which is here, this one here. It sends them over to my blog, and then on the blog here, I have gone ahead and I've shared a blog article about this. What are the points of this? Scroll down here. What are the benefits of this? Who is it for? And then you can see here, I've also included my bonuses. Now for me, when it comes to bonuses, I like to either buy some additional bonuses which will complement or enhance the original product, or sometimes I'll even create my own. So, you can go ahead and give away bonuses which you see on the JV page here. But if you tailor it to your audience or to the product, you'll get a lot better conversions and you'll also earn more money. And I've just found that from over the years of just offer something different compared to what everyone else is offering. But that is a method for earning $100 a day. It's called launch hacking. Will it happen overnight? No, it will not. It will take some time, effort and consistency. Now you might be wondering, like this video over here on YouTube, how is it ranking, for all of these different search terms down here? Well, I'm not using, any sort of magic. I just optimize the videos when I upload them onto YouTube, and I cover that in my free YouTube course. So if you want to check that out, there's a link down below to that YouTube course. But overall, launch hacking, it's a relatively decent way to make money with affiliate marketing. But, it does take time and effort. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've also got a free affiliate marketing course. A link to that is also down below for you. But look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But it is possible. And yeah, I hope that gives you some inspiration, if you like. So thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.